we're gonna add in about 1/4 cup granulated sugar. I'm gonna put the equivalent of the juice of 1 lemon here. Of course, you can just juice it straight from the lemon if you got it. I am going to get this stirred together and combined. We're gonna let our raspberries come to a light boil, and then we are going to simmer these for about 20 minutes. And then I'll show you all what we're doing next. All right, now that we've got this just at a gentle boil, we are just going to let this simmer for 20 minutes. In the meantime, I've got my puff pastry, and we're just gonna take this to the counter. All right, that's the 1 sheet of my just rolled puff pastry. I do have a 2nd sheet here, and I'm going to put this right on top. We're double layering our sheets of puff pastry. You're gonna see why very shortly, but it's gonna be super awesome, a really cute, easy fall time treat that people will be so impressed you made. Now I've got a little pumpkin cookie cutter, and I'm gonna come in. We're just going to cut out some very cute little pumpkins here. Alrighty, now that we've got all of our pumpkins onto our sheet pan here, I am just gonna go ahead and give them their little pumpkin grooves. Perfection. You can do as many or as little as you like, but we love them. We think it looks super cute and really brings the pumpkin edge home. Now we're gonna sprinkle with a little bit of sugar and cinnamon, just like that. Perfect. All right, I've just got a little bit of egg whitewash here, and I'm going to go ahead and just brush this right on top of my cute little puff pastry pumpkins. Oh my goodness, they're gonna be so delicious. And we have got some really fun surprises that are just gonna make these absolutely beautiful and take them to the next level. I think you guys are gonna love this easy, beautiful fall time treat. Alrighty, we're just gonna pop these in the oven at 425 for about 15 minutes. All right, in the meantime, we're just gonna grab a bowl here. I've got my heavy whipping cream. We're just gonna go ahead and get this squeezed out into my bowl here. Perfect. Now I did just buy this, so it should be fine. It's been refrigerated. It just has a little different texture. We're gonna put some powdered sugar in. I like it sweet, so I'm gonna use plenty. And some vanilla extract. A heaping teaspoon. Alrighty, we're just gonna get this all whipped up. Alrighty. Let's put this in the fridge and check on our raspberries. Alrighty, y'all, look at our little puff pastry pumpkins. Aren't these cute? Now I did let them cool down just a bit. As you can see, this one is already kind of separated, and I'm just gonna kind of take my knife. This is why you use 2 sheets of the puff pastry, so you can just kind of create a little pocket in the center very easily. And I am just gonna do this with all my little pumpkins here. And we're gonna be putting this all together. Super yummy, pretty. I can't wait for you guys to see how these turn out. I was inspired by seeing someone do this with a different shape, and I thought I could do that for fall with pumpkins. Perfect, these are looking good. All right, now that I've got my pumpkins just opened up a bit, we've got our raspberry jam here. And you can kind of check out the little consistency there. We did add a little cornstarch to just try and thicken this up. But I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of put a good dollop of this into each pumpkin. That's gonna be like our base little flavor layer here. Now you could use peaches. If you've got peaches available to you, it would be orange. It would look really pretty. Or maybe some mandarin oranges. Lots of fun little treats, ways you can do this. Putting in my raspberry jam there. Perfect. And now don't forget, we made this beautiful homemade whipped cream. The next step is gonna be to just get that in there. Yummy. And y'all, I don't know, there was something interesting about the texture of that heavy whipping cream, but I snuck a little bit of this whipped cream and it came out delicious. So I don't know, if that's what it takes, that's what it takes. All right, we're just gonna plate these up here, get it all party ready. Our little pumpkin patch, perfect for our Halloween party. Those look so cute. And of course, there's one for me to enjoy. Y'all, this is so good. You gotta try it.